Airbus A319. We shall now take a look inside the box. I've already cut it open to make it faster. So first we have safety advice, instruction manual with the paint scheme. I shall be building the British Airways. Oh, the decal sheet. Here we are. Ooh, loads of decals. Very nice. Very shiny as well. Woohoo. Now for the main bit. The kit itself. Here is the fuselage halves. Cockpit window. You can focus. There we go. And the wings, landing gear, the engines. There are two engine types that you can make. The IAE and the CFM. Looking good. Can't wait to build this.